tutorial on a two-stage no-touch window. Yeah, two-stage, although I can remove or pry back sweep. I'm practicing for the Tint-Off, so they gave me this car so I can have all day and practice on it. So we're gonna two-stage and might as well just video it, right? Right. These cars are deceiving because they do have very little curve on the bottom, like right there. So I'm gonna raise them up. I don't want no problems here or in the Tint-Off, so we're gonna do this real quick. Pump, pump. There you go. Put them right here. Bye. Real quick. Get this out of the way because we don't have a whole lot of time to force shit with this. Good. He goes up. Okay. Good. This guy here. Okay. So now we have our guy right here. We cut here, slide it over, obviously. Do our cut. It's better to cut this side first. I just forgot, sorry. Okay, there it is. No more problems on the bottom. Finish our cut. This guy wiggles left and right, as you can see. It does wiggle, so wiggle him this way, make your cut badass. Okay. Make your cut right on the corner. Don't stress it, don't do anything. And then push him back. There you go, this way. So he could be in this position so you can do your final cut. These curves always get me, huh? Alright, so we're gonna do some of this. And the rest I'll cut here because I don't wanna fucking cut the glass. We're good. We're good. I'm using a carbon blade because for me it's just a lot faster to cut with carbon. And I'm very careful not to cut the glass, as you can see the little trick I did there. We're good. We're good. Okay, I don't want dirt there, there. Okay, let's go inside. I already scrubbed it on the inside to shave on some time. So, what we're doing is pum 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 pum. There you go. Well, actually, let me do this real quick first. This top real badass, and then pull them up. There you go. That top has to be squeaky clean before you do anything, and then we can go ahead slowly. That. Contaminants here out of the way. Contaminants here out of the way. This real quick. Do it with a lot of finesse, knowing that you're walking down dust particles from there. On the glass, I don't like to wet it with too much, and I don't like to bite top corners because they're going to be more visible when we do our peel. And you roll it down and it dries, then you're going to see a bite mark, and that's what I'm trying to avoid by doing this. You know, biting here instead of those top areas that you can see clearly. It's just a way to provide a little bit more quality install, you know, turn over something that's a little bit better to the customer, that he can say, man, look, it looks real nice and clear. Yep, it does. So here, there, there you go. No touching anything. Put him where it belongs. Hold him for a second. Keep in mind that, you know, you don't want fingers, so your distribution start this way and then this way. Don't do this and this, because you're gonna end up with fingers in the bottom. So do that into the top and look, hold the film, that and there, that and there, that and there, pump, pump, pump. Good. We're clear. We can go ahead and observe real quick here, the top. I love it. Real clean. Love it. Love it, love it. Love it, love it. Okay, where I bit it, it's right there, right here. I'm gonna do this with my fingernail, but wrap. And he's down. Roll him. Do the bottom thing. Remember, only 2 inches of the bottom was rolled up and has contaminants, so don't pull the film any more than it needs to, because then you're going to introduce contaminants into the film from the top. I have a fucking squeegee in my mouth, that's why I was talking stupid. Anyway, this is the trick. Roll them in. There you go. Okay, there, and then we get our tool, this one right here, and then push him down, and boom, just like that. He's where he needs to be with 0 contaminants. Guys, try this, practice it. Your install will be 3,000 times cleaner, better. No stress on you. I mean, I look at these posts of people saying, man, this is my 3rd try, and believe me, I feel bad. I wish I could be there and just kind of like help you, because I was there before. Been there where you've been. It's not a nice place, but I'm here to help through videos and inbox. There you go, my man. There's no stress in the bottom, no fingers, nothing on the sides. And of course I have my door guard, because I'm going to be doing this window several times, preparing for the tint off. Car was dropped off for me just for tint off practice for a full day. Imagine that. Awesome, awesome everywhere. There is a small little crease and a couple of small little things, very small. I'm going to handle them with a heat gun and my Mexican chiseler, which is this guy right here, Mexican chiseler. Everything here is fucking phenomenal. There's a small little water thing there. Manage with this guy real quick, like this. Bye-bye, brother. No more water there. Guys, have a great day. GoPro, stop recording.